When do I take a lead and turn it into an actual opportunity? When you have spoken with them and you've delivered an insight and you've started a conversation with them, right? You know, you have a vague idea of what they're doing right now, where do they want to go, that you're deeper into the conversation. Otherwise, it's just an identified, prospect. It's your ideal prospect profile. So I wouldn't make it a quote unquote opportunity until ideally pricing and you know what you can do for them.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm gonna hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm gonna give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm gonna pay for everything. You're gonna close a lot more business. You're gonna make a lot more money. You're gonna have a lot more fun, and you're gonna be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm gonna be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're gonna say, yes, we did. And then you and I are gonna be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.